recording guy, Stowe Photography is going to go bust.
Don't record that bit. Hey guys, it's Stowe here, and today we're going to be shooting in an adventure park with Ellis. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a shoot in a park with Ellis, and that means that we're going to be interacting with all the toys and rides that's available. Now, if Ellis is like a bit further away, we want to try and draw her face in as much as possible by like using the bars to create some out focus effects. So for portraits, like you're going to get this out of focus orangey looks in the front. So if you focus here on Ellis in the background, you can see like you're going to get this orangey bokeh, which looks really nice in the portrait. Take a shot, and that just looks absolutely beautiful like that there. So the first thing that we're using is the roundabout, and it's quite a nice way of generating just noise within the hair. So as you can see, it actually goes round, it's like windy and it blows. And if you're like on the opposite side and you're just shooting, so you just turn around and you just spin it. Now whenever she goes round, you're gonna get a bit of wind, goes like that, and then just shoot. So in the park, you've got loads of these little nice tunnels and stuff like that. So when you're shooting, you can create a frame within a frame. So as you can see here, if I get Ellis inside the tunnel and I shoot through the tunnel, you'll see this nice little effect, and it looks really nice. So another tip is just getting low and getting high shots instead of just the average eye level shots. You know, by moving about all the time, you can see different things in the background, you can see different angles, and you just want to get a variant of shots and see which one works best for when you try and edit them and get your best shots in post. Now the sun's come out a bit, so now we can use a bit of shadow play, which means that we can use the chains from the swings to cause these cool effects on Ellis. So as you can see here, I'm going to get Ellis to look down or cover her eyes for a second because the sun's going to be really bright. And then when I say go, she can look up. I'm going to position the camera, and I'm going to get the chains in the foreground. And then I'm going to get Ellis to just look up, and 3, 2, 1, and get the shot. I'm going to adjust it slightly. I want the chain covering left eye, which looks really cool, or her right eye, but right, ready? And then I'm gonna get this chain at a bit of an angle, and 3, 2, 1. That's nice. And then so what I'm looking for in this image here is just trying to get something to come stand out in the front of the foreground of the image. So what I'm using is a little bit of the metal. I'm going to put the lens up to like halfway, and then I'm going to shoot through, so you're going to see this nice out of focus metal, and you can see it's just going to draw your eye to her more than just the surroundings. So a big focus of this shoot that I had was just trying to get much of a colourful vibe as possible. So you can see Ellis had this beautiful big red jumper on, and that was really nice because there's so many different vibrant colours going off. There's blues, greens, yellows. Obviously because it's a children's adventure park, it's obviously going to have lots of colours, and that's why it's so suited for the shoot. Okay guys, that's my video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye! Doing it for the gram, alright?
Are you doing that for the gram?
Yep.
I'm not sure the gram.
Photography, check it out.